इंडिया इन नंबर्स स्टोरी ऑफ प्रोग्रेस। भारत के आंकड़े प्रगति कहानी। इंडिया, a strong population of 1.41 billion. India's economy grown from $2 trillion to $3.7 trillion. Global stage, India is now the fourth largest economy. Female labor force participation jumped from 23% to 37%. Digital revolution, over 18 billion transactions every month through UPI. Water supply, 14 plus crore rural homes with tap water under Jal Jeevan Mission. Ayushman Bharat, 55 plus crore people with free health cover up to rupees 5 lakh. Success on the education front, 24 point crore students with 98% plus of children aged 6 to 14 enrolled. Rapidly growing infrastructure, 60,000 plus kilometer highways and 500 plus Vande Bharat trains speeding up India. Unemployment rate, 6.1% to 3.2%, showing a strong job market. Poverty line rate, 29.17% to 11.28%, 24.82 crore lifted out. Total power capacity, 485 gigawatt June 2025, double to meet rising demand. Solar capacity, 119 gigawatt July 2025, 40 times growth, key to India's energy shift. Defense production, 1.5 lakh crore financial year 24-25, up to 90% driving self-reliance. Foreign satellite launches, 393 plus satellites from 34 nations since 2014, making India a key space player. India's progress is real, not just growth, but the power of India and the story told by the numbers.